In this video we're going to take a look at various automatic watering and easy drip kits available from Hozelock. Throughout the next few minutes we're going to discover which is best for your needs and look at each individual one. So this is the 15 pot watering kit, which is great for small sized gardens. In the box you're going to get a mechanical timer, pressure reducer, pipeline and drippers. So it's really good for a small set of plant pots. With the mechanical timer it works very much in the same way as an egg timer. You can set it for up to 2 hours and it's very simple, just twist it to the minutes you want to set and then the timer will work down from there. Each time you do want to set the timer you'll have to come out and reset it manually. So now we're going to take a look at the 20 pot watering kit. It's very similar in design to that of the 15 pot, but it's also got a battery powered timer which you can use for various watering options. With the AC1, it's Hozelock's entry-level automatic timer. It uses a range of presets, as you can see here. It's got 13 of them overall, where you can water for 2 minutes every 6 hours to watering for 120 minutes every 7 days. One thing to bear in mind is when you initially set this up, you need to set it up at the time you want it to work every day. So for example, if you want watering at 7 PM, do your initial setup at 7 PM, then you've got peace of mind that it will go off at that time on a daily basis. So after seeing the 15 and 20, this is a 25 pot kit that really steps it up another level. As well as including everything that's in the other two kits, this one also includes a 13mm supply tubing, end-of-line drippers and Hozelock Sensor Plus water timer. The Sensor Plus controller uses daylight to water plants at dawn and dusk, which are the optimal times for watering the garden. It can be set here to water in the morning and in the evening, or indeed both, and the sensor actually detects light to decide when is best to begin watering. The Plus model can also be set, as you can see here, to water every 1, 2, 3, 5 or 7 days. So now we've looked at the automatic watering kits, let's have a look at the easy drip kits, which have been designed with ease of use in mind and can be put together reasonably quickly. There's a limited number of drippers available, which are the universal dripper and universal micro dripper. Now the easy drip range has been designed as a standalone range from classic micro irrigation. It's got more flexible tubing and it's easy to fit together. Let's start with the micro kit, which is designed specifically to either water 15 plant pots or 15 hanging baskets. It doesn't come with a timer, but there is the option to buy one separately. Now we've looked at the micro kit, this is the universal kit, which is designed for watering borders, vegetable gardens and hedges. It comes with a 13mm tubing and inline universal drippers, which basically work in a similar way to a small sprinkler system. As with the micro kit, it doesn't come with a timer, but can be extended with one in order to work within your garden's requirements. There we have it, our overview of easy drip and watering kits from Hozelock. And to discover more and find out what's right for your garden, go to Garden4Less.co.uk.